Simple Mobile's auto refill feature is convenient, but if you need to stop recurring payments, here's how. There are three main methods: via the Simple Mobile website, the app, or by calling customer service. To cancel online or through the app, log into your account and navigate to the Account or Billing section. Look for the Auto Refill toggle and switch it off. You should receive an immediate confirmation via email or text. Alternatively, call 1-877-878-7904. A customer service agent will guide you through the cancellation process, but be prepared to verify your account details. Remember, as of September 2025, Simple Mobile doesn't offer a temporary pause for auto refill. You can only fully cancel and re-enable it later if needed. Best of all, there are no cancellation fees. Auto Refill automatically recharges your Simple Mobile account from a linked payment method. This is how Auto Refill works through the Simple Mobile website. Canceling is often done for budget control, plan changes, or avoiding charges while traveling. To prevent unexpected charges, cancel a few days before your refill date. If charged after canceling, contact Simple Mobile customer service immediately. Refunds typically take 3 to 5 business days. For added security and peace of mind, use the Simple Mobile app to regularly monitor your refill history and confirm that auto refill is indeed turned off. Consider setting up bank alerts to notify you of any charges from Simple Mobile. This proactive approach helps avoid bill shock and ensures you stay in control of your prepaid account.